wondering why it is important to lower the affective filter in the classroom? The answer is simple. We want our students to learn. By lowering or removing students' fear, anxiety, and stress, we are helping to create the mindset that students need to learn. Teaching positive self-talk is important because the more confident the learner is, the less anxious they are to contribute and the more motivated they feel to learn. The use of games is yet another way to lower affective filter. Whether it's a physical game or a board game at a table, students create memorable and enjoyable experiences.
By creating valuable partnerships or buddies, the students' fears and feelings of judgment will decrease and give them a sense of belonging over time. If we provide opportunities for our learners to experience success, they will feel motivated and comfortable with learning the new language.
Don't overcorrect the learner's mistakes. Overcorrection may result in a loss of motivation from the student. The student will begin to feel frustrated and will be less likely to participate if they feel like they're always making mistakes. To lower the affective filter when it comes to making mistakes, try celebrating the positives before you point out the corrections. Next, watch for the trending mistakes, and then address them at an appropriate time. When a student is unfamiliar with the language, try bringing in something that the student is familiar with. One way to do this is by bringing in the student's personal interests. This can boost their self-confidence because the teacher is tapping into their prior knowledge and they get to use that unique knowledge to educate others.
Songs help develop language abilities and provide a non-threatening atmosphere for learning.
Growth mindset is the belief that you are in control of your own ability and can learn and improve. Students with a growth mindset might say things like, failure is an opportunity for me to grow. I can learn to do anything I want. Challenges help me grow. Feedback is constructive. It will help me grow. It's important for growth mindset to teach students that struggling is not a weakness. It's an opportunity to grow. There are two different types of vocabulary students might need to break down: academic and cultural. Teaching cultural vocabulary is important because it reinforces contextualized definitions. Context is not the same everywhere. Introducing academic vocabulary might look like connecting prior knowledge to the new vocabulary or pairing it with pictures.
Make your class space feel safe for your students. If the students do not feel the class space is safe and that they will be judged or made fun of, they will not feel motivated to contribute. A few small ways we can make our students feel more safe and welcome in the classroom are to 1. Create a visual schedule. 2. Add culture to the classroom. 3. Label objects in their language and English. 4. Peer partner. And 5. One-on-one assistance whenever needed.
Respect the silent period that some students may go through. Don't ever force a student to talk. Give the student time to properly understand the language, material, or task on their own terms. It will increase the student's trust in you as a teacher, and most importantly, the student will talk when they feel ready.
It is important to teach students how to monitor their own emotions, so they can identify when they might need to use strategies such as growth mindset. Another strategy students might use is the safe space.